These chicken spinach puffs are the ultimate triple threat: crispy, golden, and loaded with a rich, tangy blend of cream cheese and feta. They are the perfect versatile snack for everything from a high-energy party to a quiet afternoon treat, packing a flavorful punch in every bite. First, place 1 cup of cream cheese in a mixing bowl. Microwave it in 10 seconds intervals until it reaches a very soft consistency. Next, crack in 1 large egg and sprinkle in half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Season the mixture with a quarter teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Mix everything thoroughly until the herbs are evenly distributed throughout the cream cheese base. Then set it aside. Take 300 grams of frozen spinach and use a paper towel to squeeze out as much liquid as possible into a separate bowl. You'll be surprised how much water comes out, and removing it ensures your filling stays rich and creamy instead of watery. Now untangle those leaves and toss them into a large mixing bowl. Add half cup of crumbled feta to the mix. Mash the feta and the spinach together with a fork until they're nicely combined. Then add that seasoned cream cheese mixture to the spinach. Once it's all mixed up and looking delicious, set it aside, and that completes the cream cheese filling. Time for the chicken filling. Combine 400 grams of ground chicken with a tablespoon of Worcestershire and Maggi sauce to add umami flavor. Following that, add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and season with salt and pepper to your liking. To enhance the savory profile, add a quarter teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Add 1 large egg, which keeps everything together and makes the filling much easier to work with. If the chicken is too wet, add breadcrumbs to soak up the moisture. Finally, set it aside as well. Lightly dust a clean, flat surface with flour and roll out 500 grams of chilled puff pastry. We're aiming for a rectangle that's roughly 18 by 8 inches. Next, apply a layer of the spinach and cheese mixture onto the pastry. Use an offset spatula to spread it evenly. Up next, layer the ground chicken right over the top and spread it out evenly. Then apply a second layer of the spinach and cream cheese mixture over the ground chicken. Beat an egg yolk, then brush it down one side of the dough. This ensures a firm, secure seal once the pastry is folded. Carefully fold the dough over until it meets that egg wash seal. Make sure the pastry is tightly sealed and transfer the roll to a parchment-lined baking tray. Then brush the top with the rest of the egg wash. And top it off with some sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And that's it. It's the perfect contrast of hot, crackling pastry and a dense, flavorful heart that's equal parts cheesy, herby, and deeply satisfying. Thanks so much for watching. We really hope you love this savory snack as much as we do. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And we will see you in the next one.